Hi everyone, hope everyone is doing fine today. Here is Abdul, and today we have another unboxing. And as you can see from the packaging, we have Bulova. Bulova is a New York established watch from Joseph Bulova in 1875. Nowadays it belongs to the Citizen Group, and I think they make really good watches, and they offer a lot of value and also have a lot of very interesting complications. This one is actually a field watch. The reference number is, maybe it's not on the package, 98A255. So that's the reference number, and the watch is basically this one. So what do you get for your 250 euros? You get a guarantee of purchase. You get a nice package with well-built box. You get, of course, the field watch. Take the sticker off. With a gunmetal stainless steel look. You have this vintage field watch look, automatic movement. So you have a 38 millimeters in diameter. You have a 47 lug to lug and a thickness of 12 millimeters. The watch is 3-bar water resistant, so only 3 bar. Has hacking, hand winding, and I think it does have hacking as well. Yes, it does have hacking. Running inside is the Miyota movement, Japanese movement, as you can see. So it has the Miyota movement, and it comes with this nice vintage look NATO leather strap, which is very cool. And yeah, you have a brushed finish all over the case, and I think there's enough lume also on the dial to give you a good legibility at night. Got these two new leather pouches for pictures, and here you can see the Bulova. Let's see if there is a ghost function. So you have here date, the hours and minutes. So no ghost function, that's good. I really like it, I have to say. On my 17.1 centimeter wrist, it does look quite nice. With this dark olive leather strap, very good quality. It has a very cool NATO construction. Normally you have this part connected to this part, but you have only one part which has the NATO, and then you can add this part to it. So it's basically a new NATO construction I didn't see before. Let me know in the comment section if you saw one of these straps before. I'm really interested. So I said the price on Amazon is 250. Maybe shop around to find better prices. I'll leave the link in the description, but I always recommend people to shop around, because you might find a better price somewhere else, and yeah, you're saving money, which is always a good thing when you're buying something like a watch that's not necessarily something necessary for you. So always try to save when you can. Yeah, that's about it from me. Nice, the Bulova logo on the crown. The crown is big, it's really good. I think for this watch I have to try it out maybe for a week or so, so I can make this 1-minute watch review where I review the watch in under 1 minute. So be sure to check this out. I'll try to post it next to this video, maybe a couple of days after, so that you can see the unboxing and then to see the review video very near to each other, so you can make a better decision. I'm buying the watch or not. So that's about it from me. And if you do want to subscribe, which I wish you will, please press the button in the middle and you might find 2 videos, on the left and on the right, that might interest you. See you in the next one. Bye bye, everybody.